Mariko. Today I'm going to show you how to make fried pickles with Parmesan. I absolutely love fried pickles, and here's a quick and easy way to make them at home. Also, I'm going to be making a Parmesan crust, which is perfect if you want a gluten-free or lower carb fried pickle. To get started, you will want to heat your oil to 350 degrees, either using a Fry Daddy or a heavy bottom pan. I like using canola oil because of its light flavor and its high heating temperature. In a small bag, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper for spice. If you like spicy fried pickles, I'm going to add just a little pinch of chili powder. Now I'm just going to put my pickles in the bag of Parmesan. Okay. Once my pickle's in there, I'm going to shake it good until they're all coated in the Parmesan. Now I'm putting my pickles in an egg mixture. All it is 1 egg that has been beaten together well. Once my pickles are coated in the egg mixture, I'm going to put them back in the bag with the Parmesan and just toss it a little bit more. Once my pickles are coated in Parmesan cheese, they are ready to put into my fryer. This is Mariko showing you how to make fried pickles with Parmesan. Enjoy!